How you guys doing? I'm going to do a super quick video on a trade that I took today and just a little review going over it. So this might be posted to the YouTube as well as the WAP, but I do want to explain the model, why I took this, what I saw, because originally I was planning on staying out of today. I didn't see anything that was very prominent. There was no smooth price action, but we did have relative equal lows. And I was sitting on this for a while, decided I didn't want to trade it, and then last second I saw a few things that changed my mind. So I want to show you guys what I saw. So starting with market open, of course, first presented has to form at least a minute after. My market open is 8:30. So market opens, I see us ascending a little bit and coming back down. And immediately around this point, I'm thinking, okay, no trade's going to be taken. This is a very small trade. There's like 30 handles, not very much to catch here. Not a good setup anyway. Not the best targets anyway. And I was planning on staying out of this. A few things changed my mind. First off, I want to point out, this is one of my accounts. If you look up here on the top left, this is one of my accounts that is negative in balance. So before today, this was around 1,200 negative in balance. I'm not copy trading these accounts at the moment, so I do still have another account that's positive 500, but this one was down a lot, so we brought it back quite a bit. But yeah, most of December I've been staying out, and today I was planning on it until I saw this. So like I said, didn't have a very big move to catch, and as this Judas swing is forming, I notice, okay, we do have first presented getting formed. If this gets inversed, this is a potential trade. I see us ascending a lot, thinking, okay, this is likely something I'm going to stay out of. We eventually form it. It's a pretty decent size first presented. It's like, let me see how many handles. I think it's like 2 handles. Okay, it's almost 4 handles, so decently sized first presented. And on top of that, last second, we form another low right down here, which is just increasing my confidence in the probability of this trade. We now have 3 relative equal lows. Now, I have taught you guys to always aim for the initial or closest low. This is a complete exception, and the reason I didn't is because this was my initial target anyways, and on top of that, I needed to catch as many handles as I could in this trade. I was not willing to go for this third one, even though obviously it dropped a lot more after this, but I was willing to aim for the second one. And on top of that, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. I need as many handles as I can catch. Even this wasn't a very big trade. It was around, 27.5 candles. So, or handles. So not a very big trade. And anybody that trades on my model knows that I rarely take 1-to-1s. My average is 3-to-1 ratio. So this is a very exceptional type of instance that doesn't happen very often. But as you can see, this is still pretty prime king model. We have Judas swing first presented. That's in stop loss, gets inverse, and we hit the relative equal lows. So pretty basic model. And on top of that, market drops the rest of the day. We dropped enough handles that, you obviously could have made over $30,000 if you traded this correctly. Obviously, anyone's not going to be trading all the way down there, but this is actually not near as many handles as I thought. Never mind, you could not have made that much. But still, regardless, there was a lot to catch here from other people in my model specifically. Maybe not, because I was just targeting these lows. But yeah, essentially, I finally took a trade. I know December I haven't taken like anything. But I know this video is super short. I just wanted to make this quick video. If you guys have any questions, ask them in the WAP, Discord, YouTube. Have a good day.